This brand is made in China and can be purchased at Lowe's home improvement stores. The DH3020K1W model is a very basic dehumidifier that runs continuously and has a 25 pint per day capacity, while the DH7021KP1G model has a 50 pint capacity with 3 fan speeds and 3 operating modes, as well as a built-in pump to dispose of the condensate when a floor drain is not available. The DH7021W1WG model is Wi-Fi enabled for control through their Connect Life app or with voice commands from Alexa and Google. The DH10019TP1WG model features a state-of-the-art inverter compressor for quiet and energy-saving operation. It has a 60 pint per day drying capacity with a built-in pump for condensate removal, as well as a 3-speed fan, but all of the units only use a basic washable filter which does not do much to clean the air. The brand uses R410, a refrigerant which is not as earth-friendly as brands that use R32. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.